a river and a lake. Wet feet. Sometimes the answer is the simplest thing. It's right there before you. Sometimes the best treatment doesn't lie in a syringe, in a bottle, or in a procedure. It lies in a smile, a kind word, or taking time out to just listen. In term 2, Mr. Young, one of our clinical instructors, said, "A nurse is one of the only people that are with you for your whole life. They're there when you're born, they're there when you're sick or when you're well, and they're there when you die." The simple truth made me want to be more of a nurse than I had ever been before. I don't want to just be a nurse. I want to be an amazing nurse. And why do we want to be nurses? We've been asked this question 100 times in the last 12 months. And the answers have been career stability, improving my life, improving the lives of others, and money. We all love money. But I don't think that's the real reason. I think the promise of hyperemesis, fecal impaction, endless call lights, 12-hour shifts on your feet, and always the attractive full isolation PP&Es are why we're really doing this. Now, Webster defines dedication as a feeling of very strong support for or loyalty towards someone or something. And they also say that sacrifice is the act of giving up something. In the last 12 months, I have seen the people standing behind me sacrifice a lot of things. I've seen people cry because they can't attend family events, because they've missed an important event of their child's, or they've just been unable to provide where they feel that they couldn't provide at that time due to financial reasons. And dedication, these people have dedication. I've seen them walk into the room and hold the hand of a person who hasn't had their hand held in a long time. I've seen them give a kind word to a person who hasn't heard a kind word in a long time. And I'm proud of these people. I'm proud to call them my fellow nurses, my friends, my sisters, and my brothers. I'm proud to call them nurses. I would like to take the time to thank everybody who's come here, all the family members who know sacrifice and who know dedication. I'd like to thank the theory instructors, Ms. Kolashos, who started us out, Ms. Bribieska, who brought us along, Ms. Gossett, and Mr. Perry. These people formed us into what we are today. And to our various clinical instructors, many I didn't have, but I'd like to do a special shout out to Mr. Pagel, who made me question, do I? Don't you? Don't you? Do you? Do I? Well, Mr. Pagel, I do, I did, and we're done. To Miss Summers, who held me up during my first NG2, to Mr. Young, who gave me just the wisdom and the knowledge and some tidbits that I won't share here, but just really made a difference. To Miss Colleen and Mr. Andy, who finished us off in our term 4, who taught us mental health. And to one very special friend here, to Christine Zamora, who, because of her, many of us got higher scores on our test, who explained things 5 more times when we've heard them 10 already, and to someone who danced in the halls and made me laugh till I cried. I love you, girl, and I just have a special place for you. And to many other people who, Myrna, Amy, Gloria, have been my girls since the beginning, and I just don't want to have to name off all 53 names. I love all you guys. And to thank all the family that came, all the sacrifice and the dedication. But I'd like to say a personal thank you to my mom, who has taught me integrity. She's taught me about the Lord, to always walk in His path, to teach me about sacrifice and dedication, who has been a nurse for over 30 years, and I've watched her come home from time to time broken because she's had to be one of those people who held the hand of someone that's no longer in this world. To my son Christian, I hope you are so proud of me because I'm so proud of you. I hope that you see the sacrifice and dedication that I've made, and I hope that this sacrifice and dedication will improve your future. And to James, thank you for always driving me crazy. I now know I can handle anything. And to the rest of my family who are here today, I just want to say thank you to everybody, and thank you once again. And everybody take out their pictures and get a picture of amazing, because these people are amazing, and these are your future nurses. Thank you.